Hi there, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi Q2 S-Line 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now, this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout road appearance. This is also a part of the approved used range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the S-Line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling, such as the upgraded front bumper and rear diffuser design. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic digital LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the S-Line specific 18-inch 5-spoke wide design wheels, which do really complement that lovely metallic grey paint. Now to the side of the vehicle there is that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, and as well does keep most valuable items from view also. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Audi Q2, where we find up to 405 litres of storage capacity, so a large amount for a smaller SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also manually adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a two-tone interior with the outer seat in leather and the inner in the cloth two-tone. As well as this, there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes the Q2 perfect for family usage, as well as having ample legroom for 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, cloth and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean the vehicle has these two-tone leather seats which have a sporty design and do feature the S-Line logo in the centre. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters, and does also allow access to telephone connectivity and vehicle data as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this very impressive MMI touchscreen display, which has also featured the satellite navigation and allows access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q2 S-Line, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.